Viewers, the UK court has delivered a hammer blow to fugitive diamantaire Nirav Modi and in the process cleared the path for his return to India after more than 7 years in British custody. The London High Court has rejected his petition to reopen proceedings against his extradition order. While handing down this particular judgment, the court observed that Nirav Modi's petition and circumstances surrounding it are not exceptional and that it would not be appropriate to reopen the matter. Nirav Modi, it must be recalled, is the prime accused in the massive 13,000 crore PNB fraud, a scam that he allegedly orchestrated alongside the uncle and fellow fugitive. Now, Mehul Choksi, with this ruling, that obviously the clock on his, India return is now ticking louder than ever. Central to the ruling are assurances furnished by the Indian government to the UK court, specifically that Nirav Modi will not be interrogated by any of the 5 agencies currently investigating the cases. The court found these assurances to be specific, not general or vague. Crucially, it is also held that the assurances were given in good faith and with that clear intention that they be treated as binding commitment. Investigating agencies and, they are all learned and they basically lean heavily on extradition cases of arms dealer Sanjay Bhandari, who has been discharged from extradition on human rights ground last year. His lawyers further contended that the Indian government's assurance of no interrogation is quote-unquote unreal, arguing that anonymous and autonomous agencies retain the power to grill him the moment he sets foot back in India. The court, however, was not persuaded, claiming the positive outcome as a result of consistent effort and also strong commitment of the government. The CBI said that the matter was strongly argued by the Crown Prosecution Service advocate, ably assisted by a dedicated CBI team. Now, the agency further asserted that through coordinated effort, it successfully overcame key challenges which had been posed by Nirav Modi and his legal team. The citation of the Bhandari judgment. Now, Bhavtosh, my colleague, continues to be live with us. Bhavtosh is bringing us all the updates related to this case. Bhavtosh, good morning. The UK court delivering a hammer blow to fugitive Nirav Modi, in the process clearing the path for his return to India. What happens next? When can we expect his extradition? When can we expect his return to India and him to face the law here?
Good morning, Meenakshi. As far as his extradition is concerned, all his appeals are completely now over. What will happen next is that one of his appeal, which is pending in the Westminster Court, will come up for hearing next month, that is in early April. It all depends whether the Westminster Court will look into that appeal or will summarily reject this, because the London High Court order, which the copy of which is with Times Now, clearly mentions one thing. It mentions about India's and UK's friendly relations. More importantly, it also mentions that Sanjay Bhandari's order that was given by the London High Court should not be quoted continuously, because India has assured UK that he would not be subjected to any kind of human rights violation and that he would be kept in a separate ward. Remember, Sanjay Bhandari in his plea had quoted an incident of violence, physical violence in Tihar jail, and that's the reason why his extradition was rejected by the London High Court. And Nirav Modi has also, in fact, quoted that this has now been rejected by the London High Court. It also said that all investigating agencies in India, whether it's ED or CBI or for that matter DRI, they have all autonomous agencies, and within their rights, they can question him, but they have now assured the London High Court that they would not be questioning him if and when he is brought back to India. So there are several aspects of this case which have been now cleared by the London High Court. One has to wait and see when he will come back. Now, the file is with the UK Home Secretary. She will now decide when she will sign the papers. But if he comes back to India, that would be a big success for the country. Mehul Choksi, his uncle, his extradition plea is pending before the Antwerp court. The hearing as of now is going in the right direction. That's what CBI has told us. CBI officers are presently in Antwerp and they're hopeful that Mehul Choksi will also be brought back. As far as Nirav Modi is concerned, his bail application has been rejected on 10 occasions since 2019. He was declared a fugitive economic offender in 2019. So everything as far as Nirav Modi is concerned has gone in India's favor. And India is very hopeful that he will be brought back to the country very soon. It could be as early as April.
All right, Bhavtosh, thank you for joining us with all these updates.